Hey guys, welcome back to Nanny Joanne. I of course am Nanny Joanne, and today I'm going to be doing a video on potting succulents and cactuses, as you can see here. And as you also may remember, I had a very special guest do a couple videos with me on my arts and crafts playlist. You may remember her as Haley Roman. So drum roll, please. Here she is, Haley Roman. All right, Haley. So what are we doing today?
We're going to be planting some cactuses and whatever.
Succulents.
Yeah, succulents.
All right. So you guys ready? Ready. Go.
Guys, remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
Everything she just said. All right, let's go.
If you're a child watching this and you have all of this stuff, remember to just have an adult here to supervise you.
All right, guys. So, of course, to start off this video, we are going to need cactus soil. We're gonna need trays of some sort. I like these. These are glass, so looks pretty and transparent.
We may need some of these cactuses, and well, we actually got this today at Home Depot, but it doesn't really need to be cactuses. Just make sure you have soil. We picked out these plants.
Yes, we picked out a bunch of cute ones. Look at these. Look at these.
The most loved one that she wanted was this one.
This one?
I said that I was like, girl, these, like, I don't want to get pinched by these. Don't even touch them, because I don't want you getting pinched or whining or being like, girl.
This one I think is beautiful.
I personally love this one. It's actually really lovely because I actually love yellow, so I'm glad we got this one.
All right, and then we also need a spoon of some sort.
Maybe plastic, wooden.
I'm just using a kitchen spoon. I'm like fancy schmancy, and we're gonna use a spoon to scoop out the soil and put it in our pretty trays.
If you have all of these ingredients, you can maybe pause and take the time to get all of these stuff.
That's right. So I got our succulents from Home Depot right down the street, but you can go to your local grocery store. I know that around here, ours sells some succulents. You can go to a nursery, Home Depot.
What's a nursery?
A nursery is a place that sells plants and trees and flowers.
Okay.
And I think even Target may have some. I'm not sure. But all right, let's get ready.
Just one more tip, guys. When you go to the store, just remember to, when you get home, you read these tags and keep them on just in case. Well, I mean, you're going to have to still keep them on, but you know.
Yeah, guys. So this will tell you what kind of plant it is. It says it's a house plant. It tells you it needs bright light. It tells you it's a cactus, and it tells you how to care for your plant. So if you don't...
This says
succulent.
Succulent society, yeah.
So if you don't know, just always keep this around. You might need to reference back to it. All right, so first things first, we're going to put some soil in our containers. So when you go to do this, guys, you want to fill it about 3/4 of the way.
And maybe shake it so it could be flat.
If you don't like mess, do this outside.
True.
I don't mind a little bit of mess.
We're not doing this outside because it's actually snowing and it's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's snowing. So we're doing this inside. All right.
Yeah, indoors.
So now that you have it 3/4 of the way, we're going to move this over. And now we have to figure out how we want to plant these. So I want one here. Haley, can you put this on the other side? All right. That looks good. All right. So now we are going to start with one. Careful. So
I must pluck it.
So now we're gonna take these out. That was easy. And we're gonna plop it right in there. Take this one out. And we're gonna put it.
Okay.
Oh my god!
This is so frail.
Aww.
Why does it turn light?
I guess I'll do this. So you wanna, this one I guess was a little bit stuck. So just give it a little squeeze.
Is this Alvarado?
No, aloe vera.
Yeah. Because it looks like aloe vera. And it has bubbles.
Okay, alright. So here we go.
I'm gonna take
A little bug on there.
wood bug, where is it?
It flew away. Alright, so we're gonna plant this. And we're gonna scoot. There was a bug.
I really want. We should slow down.
Alright, we need a little bit more
We should
soil.
slow-
Alright, lastly is my favorite. Let me show you guys.
Okay. I'm not even gonna look
This
down.
is my favorite. Ta-da! So pinchy, it's cute. So I'll do this one because it's a little,
Pinchy.
I'm probably going to get pinched myself.
I called it the death. Deadly.
It's the deadly one. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Ugh, I'm like scared to do this.
Why do you pick it? Pray for Joanne. Please. Pray for Nanny. Pray for Joanne.
All right. So that was the hardest part.
Uh-oh. It don't fit. I'm just gonna close my eyes, guys. I won't peek. Alright, I really don't want to get pinched again.
Get it down in there. All right. Whew. That wasn't too bad.
You smell.
All right, looking pretty nice. I like how this looks because then when these get older, you'll be able to see the roots come through. It's not the best for when you're watering because you're supposed to have like holes so that the water can drain properly.
Yeah,
Blah, blah, blah. These Gardner green thumb rules. But I don't know, aesthetically, this looks great. All right. So I'm going to put more soil in it.
Oh, fun fact. It's my birthday in 2 days.
Oh, yeah. How old are you going to be?
9.
Haley's birthday's in 2 days, y'all. Make sure you comment and wish her a happy birthday, please.
You guys don't need to.
February 2nd will be her birthday. I'm excited that she got to spend it with us here in New Jersey.
So, we're gonna make a new video, and it's another baking video. We're gonna make like Valentine Christmas cookies because Valentine's Day is kind of coming up.
Yep, we're
So
going to
make sure you check that video soon when we're done.
All right, so I'm pretty happy with the way this one looks. So I'm going to just set this aside for now.
That is clean.
And now, let's try this again, Haley.
I love this one.
Can you please take this? Can you please take this one out? So, squeeze it and tilt it over. Okay, gentle. All right. All right, good job.
Okay.
We're going to set this aside. Remember, keep this, guys.
Okay.
That one goes in the corner, remember? I think it's perfect like that. So just stick it in there. That's a little bit too deep. All right, so put it on top, Haley.
You're gonna have to zoom that.
Yeah, put it on top. Put it right on top there. Okay.
Shove it.
And then just scoot some of this soil to the sides and stuff. Keep going. All right. now I will do this pinchy one.
No!
You want to try?
That was my favorite.
All right, give it a try. You don't have to squeeze. It's porcelain. You don't squeeze the porcelain one. You just flip it over.
Oh.
Flip it over. And it's going to pop out. All right, now this needs some soil.
Ow!
Now try to grab it.
Please don't do this, children. I'll do this for you. Just
All right.
don't do it.
Hold on. All right, now put that one right in here.
Ow!
In the middle.
I got plucked. Ow.
You got plucked?
Yes, I got plucked by the demon. That's not Satan, guys, but it's like Satan.
Be so careful with these. These really hurt if you get pinched. All right, now this one needs more soil. Gardner, here you go. Take this one out.
I already got plucked. Oh, it's not pinchy.
Nice. Yeah, that one's not that pinchy. All right, and then that one goes on this side.
Can I see the mommy one?
Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna put it like that close to the border. Put it right there. And Haley,
I already see some roots coming in.
add some foil.
Okay, guys, this is how it looks like after we completed it. And now we're gonna spray it.
So remember, guys, succulents don't require a lot of water. They're desert plants, and so they probably get water maybe like once every 2 weeks. If that, they prefer dry climate. And all that information you will get on those little stickers that the flowers come on.
Do we still have
So being that we just repotted these and they were very, very dry, I'm going to give them a little spray. And I just put some water in this Poland Spring water bottle just because it's a small surface area, and then we're going to spray it. Okay, move on.
the one I love? The one is good? The one that I love too? The one that you love? The deadly one? And the one that we don't even compliment at.
So as you can see, it's really cool because you can see the water going down. I'm just going to put a little bit more just so that you can like see what I'm talking about. You see the water going down?
Whoa! Can I spray some under here with my...
Yeah. So I'm just going to give a little bit more H2O to the waters. A little bit more H2O to the plants.
That's so cool. This is so cool. I can literally see it. Looks cool.
Now remember, a little bit goes a long way with these, so we don't need to make them too wet, especially because there's no filtration system, there's no drainage. Now this one might look very pretty, but this is artificial, which means it's fake. So somebody glued this onto this because cactuses don't usually flower like that.
Rude. Cactuses
So,
are beautiful just the way they are.
They are beautiful just the way they are. So we're going to put these over by my window and we'll show you what it looks like. Now you could always add some extra like little pebbles of rocks in there or some moss. That would make it look super, super cute too. But I don't have any right now and I'm kind of okay with how they look like this.
So these plants were originally in the ones you saw just now, but since it got so big, we had to move them to this bowl. And as you see, it's kind of bigger than those.
Yeah, remember these plants, the one that we planted had a yellow flower.
But it broke.
Yeah, it broke off. Like I said, it's artificial. So this is what they actually look like. And look at how big these have gotten. I mean, I know that you didn't see the before and after, but these have gotten so big. You have no idea. And it's so cute because you can see here, these are like the little baby ones that are growing out.
This looks like a city.
Yeah, it does look like a city, right?
Yeah.
It's so nice to see like the little ones. And then this one right here is like my baby. When it first came, it was just like this piece right here. And now it has like completely like taken over the whole centerpiece. And this one was half of the size. And now look at how big it's gotten.
Guys, and there's a newborn coming in.
There's a newborn baby?
Yes.
Let me see. Where?
Newborns delivered by this woman.
Oh, look at that. A little one. Yep. This is my little one. And then this one is super cute
I'm
too.
guessing this is the mommy of the little one.
Yeah. So it's nice. And then you can get like a little stand and put it by your door and it looks great.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Like I said in the video.
I think what she's trying to say is thank you so much for watching our video.
Yeah. Don't forget in the beginning to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button.
Everything she just said. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial on planting succulents and cactuses. Even if you don't have succulents or cactuses. I'm glad that you guys have made it this far to watch the video. You guys are awesome. Thanks again, and we'll catch you guys pretty soon. Because we're going to make another baking video.
A baking video! Woo, woo.
All right, guys. Bye.